What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. Word is going. Check it out. We over here off of Market Street at Good Eats. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. 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 See the steam coming off of there? Got the macaroni and cheese. Got the candy yams. Look like the candy yams Grandma used to throw together. But we got the chicken, y'all. Barbecue chicken. Let's check it out. First thing I'm gonna go into is the macaroni and cheese. You know what? I gotta hold my plate up so y'all can see it.
It's turkey in the
Look at that,
chicken. Okay.
Look at that macaroni. See that cheese coming off of there? Mmm. That's good stuff. Mmm. Look at that mac and cheese, man. They really piled it on too. See that cheese hanging off of there? Macaroni and cheese is official. It's got that homemade taste to it. Candy yams.
I taste that cinnamon, that nutmeg. With vanilla flavoring. It's even got some candy yam juice at the bottom there. I don't know if y'all can see that little juice. See that?
I'm going back to the macaroni and cheese.
Hold up, y'all gotta get my hands right. Before I dig into the chicken, I gotta get my hands right here. There we go. There we go. What's the name of this barbecue chicken? Sexy jerk. Sexy jerk. I got the sexy jerk chicken, y'all. Let's check it out.
Let's see how sexy it is. Sexy jerk chicken. Y'all remember from the previous video, man, this is the part of the chicken that I like. Y'all call it the flats. Sweet, spicy, tender chicken. I'm ready to get messy, y'all. I think I said I was on Market Street. We're on Mulberry Street. This is Mulberry Street in Commerce, y'all, right on the corner. Good Eats restaurant. People gonna be like, I didn't know about that spot, but now you know. I still taste those spices in my mouth. Alright. Grandma would be proud of me. I'm not doing 100% job of getting that meat off the bone.
Sexy, right here in the middle.
None but the best, you know.
Then we got the sweet teriyaki.
We got buffalo.
What you got, the buffalo?
Buffalo.
And then we got the bonus one with the.
Which one you got?
What do I got here?
That right there, that's sweet teriyaki right there.
Oh boy, here we go.
Got the
Yeah,
teriyaki?
and that's sexy right there. Let them know you had a sexy wing.
I had the sexy wings myself.
Then you
They're
got the
delicious.
sexy jerk, so somebody's gonna try that sexy jerk.
This buffalo's fire.
Is it good?
It's spicy, but it got some flavor to it. It's delicious.
Yeah.
I love it.
Really hot? Is it hot? Yeah.
It's good. Delicious. Good.
How about this one?
Delicious. Gotta go for more.
He's like, can't talk right now. That's Jazz, y'all. She don't like going on camera. We just gotta show the owner, y'all, real quick.
Fire.
Hey, see you guys later.
All right, man. Take care, Matt. Thank you. All right, who's dinner?
Look at this. That's why I like to clean my hands off before I start eating. Because the finger looking good. I asked on a recent video, should I keep smacking or should I try not to smack? But everybody gave me the approval and said it's okay to smack, right? These are good wings, y'all. It's official. I'm over here at Good Eats restaurant on Mulberry and Commerce. I need a napkin, y'all. Oh, and more stuff coming out, y'all. Where is more? These not, look, got the. This just came in. Fried shrimp. See that? I don't want to drop them. Fried shrimp. Wow. The owner of this place, her name's Jasmine. She's the chef. She said, look, after I ordered, she said, you have to try the shrimp too. I'm gonna try the shrimp. I don't have no hot sauce, no nothing on it. Look at those big shrimp. You know, and once again, it's not a bunch of batter on it. It's big shrimp. That was just the batter. Batter's delicious. Just so y'all can see, like, see the size of my thumb to that shrimp? And people say I got big thumbs. It's got that snap to it. The shrimp are delicious, y'all. I don't want to drop them. It's official. I'm gonna dip this shrimp in some of the sauce. There's the chicken there. I just did a new thing here. Delicious. I gotta pan y'all down a little bit here. This is what it is right here. I got my shrimp, macaroni and cheese, got the candy yams, and got the chicken. I'm eating another flat. Wow, these are delicious, y'all. These are delicious. Got camera B right here. Alright, I'm gonna put the address up. I just dropped it on my camera bag, the sauce. I'm gonna eat one more of these shrimp. Look at that. Look at that. This is it, y'all. Your man Matt DV. Like, subscribe, hit that bell to stay notified for new videos. And I want to give a big shout out to our new Patreons, Amanda and Khalid. Thanks for joining us on Patreon. Our patrons are the ones that really produce these videos. Without you, this could not be done. So thank you. And thank you for those that support on YouTube. I'm here at Good Eats Restaurant. Matt DV signing out while I'm still eating shrimp. I might be signing out, but I ain't going nowhere.